GMT in a real sense rose 42.29% in 7 days, or so they in a real sense thought. Bull control GMT's sort of current cost activities, which fundamentally is very huge. Current stepn cost really is $0.62 the 18th of June 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these often in a real sense sought clarification on some pressing issues. What by and large is momentary cost expectation for stepn basically is GMT an excellent venture, which for the most part is very critical. stepn support and obstruction levels and so on in a really significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging especially profound into the GMT specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us truly discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours. There especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,071,510,173,848, which basically is genuinely huge. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $19,008,310,440, showing how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the GMT specialized examination sort of allowed us in a real sense to discuss the sort of current economic situations in an every practical sense, significant way. Bitcoin shares 48.08% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, so bull control GMT's by and large current cost activities, or so they for the most part thought, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,551.35 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value diminishing of 0.16% coming to $1,736.12 during the past 24 hours. Kind of additional appearance how current stepn cost truly is $0.62 the 18th of June 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these much of the time all things considered. Clarified some things. What in a real sense is essentially momentary cost expectation for stepn truly is GMT a very wise speculation, or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.51, following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time period, which sort of shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.51. Following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time span in a kind of large manner. XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP for the most part is up by 1.33 and presently exchanging at 49 cents in a by and large significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a really descending bearing for genuinely present moment. Further appearance how market examination over the especially last 24 hours. There certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,071,510,173,848, or so they all things considered, thought. As of now, an extremely broad most certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so bull control GMT's certainly current cost activities in every way that really matters, large way. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers for the most part become kind of more certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any truly further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which merchants in a real sense move fundamentally dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in a genuinely enormous manner. Following in every way that really matters are the help and opposition levels of STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN basically is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the essentially beyond 24 hours and fundamentally has a value change of 42.29% throughout the week, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.08% of the entry market while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%. So bull control GMT's genuinely current cost activities in a sort of significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 688,912,110.00 US dollars, while essentially all-out market cap came to $369,248,871 USD. Sort of additional appearance how as of now, an exceptionally broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so bull control GMTs, especially current cost activities, which for the most part is genuinely huge. There in a real sense are very nearly 600 million essentially are available for use out of 6 billion, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 688,912,110.00 US dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to $369,248,871 USD. In every practical sense, further appearance how as of now, a genuinely broad, genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so bull control GMTs in every way that really matters. Current cost activities, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for the 18th of June 2023 inside a day-to-day time period essentially made sense of underneath. So GMT fundamentally rose 42.29% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize extremely relative strength index, moving commonly normal intermingling and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving exceptionally normal, and dramatic moving fundamentally normal to dissect the future development of the STEPN, especially further appearance how while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $246.51. Following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time period, which truly shows that while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $246.51. Following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time span, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The sort of relative strength file shows that the GMT coin in every practical sense is close oversold zone, as RSI fundamentally is at 37 in a genuinely significant manner. While GMT's Williams %R marker truly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange signal especially is truly conceivable at this reach, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the buy and large sign line after a hybrid, which for the most part shows that STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for the 18th of June 2023 inside a buy and large everyday time period fundamentally made sense of underneath. So GMT basically rose 42.29% in 7 days, really in spite of prevalent thinking. STEPN financial backers need to essentially sit tight for any directional change over the especially everyday graph, which certainly shows that similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which merchants fundamentally become move all things considered. Dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher in a genuinely significant manner. According to the cost investigation, the GMT cost may explicitly track down help at these pivotal degrees of 54 cents.